Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our 7x16 Colorado off-roads we just got in stock. These are true off-road trailers. They do have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance underneath them. Insulated windows, power, AC, meant to be that great multi-use all-around trailer for you. You guys can view our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. This one is a 7x16. It does have the matte gray blackout exterior. It does have all of our standard Moab package on. It does have the generator box and platform on the front. You also have your side swivel jack, removable front coupler, and your 30 amp power plug right there. So this is generator ready. Does not come with a generator, but again, it is generator ready. You can plug right in right there. 7-foot interior height, so these are great for UTVs and side-by-sides out there as well. This one has your side door with your RV lock and cam bar. Step off that side door again because you've got a lot of ground clearance underneath these trailers. They sit up tall. You do have an exterior GFI outlet, couple of outside party lights, so you've got some exterior light, roof rack and ladder, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed there. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all floors, black American racing wheels, so you've got a nice big tire and wheel underneath you as well. These trailers tow very stable. They ride really well because of those tires and wheels. Stabilizer jacks, rear ramp door. You can also use it as a deck, which is what those additional jacks are for right there. And then you also have some load lights off the back so you can see what you're doing at night. We'll come in the side door. Again, it's insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling in here. And then a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Does also come with a battery and a battery box and a battery charger. That's a great feature because it's gonna run your interior puck lights for you. So these guys right here. It also runs your party lights off of the side. It runs your load lights off the back as well. So you don't have to have a generator on or be plugged into power to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. And then you also have your 30 amp box right there as well. So like I said, you can bring 110 power in. You do have 4 D-rings in the floor, 2 in the front, 2 more in the rear. And you've got our awesome performance Nudo floor with dry maxx. This is a great floor, super durable. They hold up really well. And then you also have a couple of windows. These are our 18x44 slider windows with a screen. It is a tinted lockable window. Overhead max air roof vent. Doesn't have a fan in it, but you guys can see it's got that cover right there. So you can have this open and not have to worry about it raining and leaking water in on your stuff. Couple of overhead 4-foot LED lights, and then you've got your AC unit here as well. Those are all 110, so you'll need your generator to run those. And then you do have outlets as well. 4, I believe, 2 on this wall. Spin around here. And there's 2 more, plus you've got your exterior outlets. So a lot of places to plug some stuff in and do your thing. Trailer weighs 3,500 pounds. It's gonna give you about a 3,500 pound, 3,000 pound payload capacity. And again, you've got 16 feet in length, 7 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. So as always, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business, 303-688-8485. Best place to reach us now though is by email, sales@getmytrailer.com. And we also ship. So if you guys don't live near us, no worries. Just give us a call and we'll get one of these shipped right out to you wherever you may be with one of our great transporters for an additional fee. So again, getmytrailer.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.